So once we are logged in, we need to set this is authenticated property in our state with true, and we need to set the ID with action dot payload dot user dot underscore ID. So if you could remember, our backend gives us a payload that includes a user object and a token, which is a string. So we are sending the full payload into the action, and we are extracting from it the ID and saving it here. We need to also extract the token from our action. So this is cool. Okay, what should we return if the user is logged out? We should return a state with a similar structure but different values for its properties. So this will be undefined, and this will be undefined. So here we go. Let us have here an index.js file, and usually the functionality for this index.js file is to combine more than one reducer that we are having in our app. Currently we are having only one reducer, so its functionality will be limited to creating a store. So export const store equal create store, and we're gonna use auth store state, and we need also to use something for the Redux dev tools, which is this thing. This is for the Redux dev tools to be working. Now what we need to do is just comment out these things that are not being used right now, and we need to tell our app that we will use Redux. So how we could do this? We need to go to the index.js and contain this app with a provider that takes a store. Provider store equal store. We close this provider. We need to import this provider from Redux. Let us close this provider. This should be closed down here. So we need to import this provider from React Redux, and we need to also import our store. So let us test to see if this thing is working. Right now in our app, if you open the console and went to the Redux, you will have here several tabs that include action, state, and others. So in our state now, our state is the following: we are not authenticated, and we do not have an ID, neither we have a token, and we do not have any actions dispatched. So for now, let us go to the sign up form or the enhanced sign up form and connect Redux to this form. What we want to do is to have the ability for this component to dispatch the logged in action. So right now we could return an object that has logged in and takes, and it is considered a function with a payload argument,